When multiplying with fractions, every now and then you will get a mixed number, such as this number right here, 6 3/4. That has to be changed into a fraction before we multiply it. So we'll go right down here, 6 3/4. You multiply the 6 and the 4 together, and that gives you 24. And then you add the 3. So 24, 25, 26, 27. That gives you this value right here, 27. And then 27 goes over 4 because you have 4 in the denominator position right here. So 6 3/4 is the same as 27 over 4. If you were to take 27 and divide it by 4, it would come out to 6.75, which is the same thing as 6 3/4. Here's how the problem works out. 27 over 4 times 2 over 3. We multiply the 27 and the 2, which gives us 54. We multiply the 4 times 3, which gives us 12. And we need to reduce it. Since we can divide 12 by 6 and 54 by 6, we can reduce this to 9 over 2. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. Now we have an improper fraction, 9 over 2. So let's take the 9 and divide it by 2, and that equals 4 1/2. So the answer, the final answer, is 4 1/2. The review section on the website pretty much covers the same thing. 5 1/4 changed to a fraction comes to 21 over 4, and you get there by multiplying 5 times 4 to give you 20. Then you add number 1, which is from the numerator position, so you have 21, and you put the whole thing over 4. The other thing to notice is that when you have 4/5 times 2/5, you just multiply as it shows you right here, and the result in this case is 8 over 25. There is a value to reducing before you multiply. It saves you a little bit of work. Consider the problem on the left. 8 over 3 times 9 over 4. The answer is 72 over 12, and it reduces down to 6. But let's suppose that we reduce it before we multiply. In this case, we have a 3 on the bottom and a 9 on the top. They're both divisible by 3. So 3 times 1 would be 3. So we'll put the 1 here, and we'll divide the 9 by 3, and that gives you a 3 there. So we've just reduced this to 1, 3, and the 4 and 8 can be reduced to 1 and 2. And now you can see it's 2 times 3 and 1 times 1, which results in 6 over 1, which results in 6. Reducing makes it a lot easier. So you can keep this in mind the next time you do multiplication with fractions. Thank you.